Hi friends, my name is Viridiana here at the Children's Museum Houston. Today we'll be creating a DIY flower vase using household materials. And this is a fun arts and crafts that will get your little one exploring and moving. So to create your DIY flower vase, you would need a pair of scissors, some flowers, a marker, any type of tape, preferably duct tape, and cardboard. So first you will need to cut your cardboard into a square about this size. Next, you're gonna draw a vase, any type of vase that you want. Make sure when you draw the vase, you leave about this much space to place your flowers. Since the whole cardboard is your vase, it doesn't have to be big to cover your entire piece. Once your base is done at the bottom, you can decorate however you like. Once that is done, you're gonna start making holes on the piece of cardboard. Using your scissors, you'll start making the holes up here. They just have to be big enough for your flowers to go through. And it just doesn't matter where you make them. Once that is done, you can go outside and walk around your backyard or in a park and find any type of flowers or plants to place right through the cardboard for your flower vase. And eventually, it will look like this. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want some more hands-on activities, come out and visit us. I'm Viridiana, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!